YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hello. My name is Lexi, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Selfie Stick tripod. So I was sent the Selfie Stick tripod a few days ago. The vendor is off of Amazon. Everything, including the link to this, will be in my description box down below. I did some research on this before I agreed to review it, and apparently this is a new thing for TikTokers. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what goodies come with. First thing first, I love that it comes with a little traveling case, so that is perfect for storage and you don't have to take up a lot of space. This is what it looked like straight out of the package. That's in there. In the box, you will get a USB cord. This is to charge, and you will also get the attachment. Now, I personally do not like attachments like this because I use it on my new iPhone and it scratched it. So I just go ahead and order the Amazon version of this, and it just rotates. You could film vertical or horizontal, but this will be fine. And it has the instructions. So it is Bluetooth compatible. It hooks up to any Android or iPhone. It takes 45 to 60 minutes for it to charge. It has an LED light that comes with the trigger here. And let's see, when you hook it up to your Bluetooth, I don't know exactly how to pronounce this. I think it's Youngton, but I'll have that in the description box down below. But you'll click on that and you'll hook it up to your phone. That way, when you want to take pictures, you just hit the trigger here instead of having to touch your phone. It also do come with a 30-day warranty, so if you do not like the product, you can ship it back and they'll give you a full refund. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It has an on button on the side. You just want to switch this on and it'll start blinking blue. At that point, you go to your phone and search for the YouTube name. You'll search for the Bluetooth name. I don't know why I just drew a blank. You'll search for the Bluetooth name and connect it to your phone. This pulls straight out, and you use this to turn it into the tripod. And I'm 5'4", so it comes pretty high up. It comes right below my boob. You'll connect this here. And then you'll attach your cell phone, and you'll use this as the little joystick to say where you want this to go. Alrighty, so when you're ready to charge it, it hooks up on the side, and you'll use any compatible USB that you have, the same thing that you use to charge your phone with. And this is actually any old school Android, which everybody has a few of these. That's exactly what you use to go ahead and charge it. This is already charged. And you'll charge it and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the phone and see what it looks like if I want to take some pictures. $19.99 is actually not a bad deal, especially if you're starting out new to YouTube. So now I'm gonna go and connect it to the Bluetooth here. I already have the name already saved in here. And then I'm gonna go back to my camera. Turn it around. So this is perfect for vlogging. If you wanted to vlog solo, you could easily just turn it this way if you want to do long ways, or this way. Get this set up. Bring this out. And if you want something sturdy, I'm just gonna put it on the ground because I don't want it to fall. And boom. If I wanted to talk, make a quick video without a cameraman or without a big tripod, I can do so there. If I want to go straight into taking a picture that's far away, I can angle it down however I please. And then when I'm ready, I'll just hit the trigger button. And it'll take the picture. Let me come this way. So if you want to take a group picture, it extends long enough to where you can easily just hold it out and easily just hit the trigger button. And you actually get a lot of space as well. And if you want to take one of a full body, you can do it the same way. Bring this down. When you're finished and you're ready to return it back to storage, just unhook your phone, switch off the hook. I really do not like these guys, but they can work. I would say that's my only con, because these things scrape your phone if you do not have a phone case on, and we all typically have a phone case. So I don't want to scratch my phone trying to put this on, because this thing sometimes easily can just slide out. So when you're sliding your phone on, make sure that this is intact securely and it's all the way to the front so that you don't scratch your phone. And again, once you are done, just slide everything together. You can put it back in the traveling bag. And this can go back in the baggie if you want to keep the bag. If you don't want to keep the bag, you can throw it away and just put it back in the box. Or we can even make everything fit in here, and you'll be good to go and put it back in the box if you choose to keep the box. Otherwise, just put everything back in your carrying case. And voila. Everything you need to film, all you need is your phone and you're good to go. Everything is all in one. Again, like I said, this is $19.99. It is available on Amazon right now. I believe that they have a 20% off. So if you have Prime, you can go ahead and select that box to get 20% off and get this right away, because Prime delivers in 1 to 2 days, whereas if you don't have Prime, you have to wait 5 to 7 days. But I believe right now everybody has Prime. So yeah, I did look at it on TikTok, and a lot of people are making great videos. So if you're just starting out doing YouTube and you don't have everything you need, because you honestly just need a cell phone right now, iPhones film great videos right now, and a tripod. But if you don't have a tripod or anything to handle or carry your phone with, you have 2-in-1 right now. Okay guys, so I will leave everything down in the description box, and I will tag the link down below as well. I am going to be offering a giveaway, so if you're a new YouTuber and you want to try this bad boy out, go ahead and drop me a red heart in the comment section down below, as that represents sickle cell awareness, of course. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Next to your red heart, type in entered, so I know that you're entering the giveaway. I will do the drawing in 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks, and then in my next video I will let you all know who the winner is. So if you're a new YouTuber and you want to get your hands on this sweet device, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment of a red heart down below. Until next time, my babes, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey babes, before I get out of here, I just wanted to come and apologize because I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks. I've been very sick. I've needed a blood transfusion. I've been having multiple visits to the doctor's office. I have filmed, so on one video I will take you all with me, but I just want you guys to know that I appreciate and I love you guys for all the support and for always rocking with me. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.